Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, a look at the headlines. Shad Suk Mynsiem Festival celebrates peace and unity in Meghalaya. Meghalaya to review school fee structures and implement new quality assessment framework. Shad Sukra festival concludes in July amidst rain. And Meghalaya broomstick farmer allegedly assaulted and detained by Assam police. And now the news in detail. The Shad Suk Mynsiem, or Dance of Peaceful Hearts, marking the 114 years, is one of the most significant cultural celebrations for the Khasi community. Organized by the Seng Khasi Seng Khmer, the festival symbolizes peace, gratitude and unity, marking the arrival of spring and the harvest season. P.D. Nongrum, Vice President of Seng Khasi Seng Khmer, expressed gratitude for blessings received and offered prayers for continued prosperity. Hundreds of participants, mostly followers of the Khasi faith, danced in traditional attire, symbolizing harmony and a deep connection with nature. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, Cabinet Ministers and others were also present to witness the celebration.
Kashat kedik away nakita kashat kedik sanglang mat cuma ben real. What hindi man penne ka larangi kwa banne kung kata jat ben real ka bakerpang. Ladang itu no kini ki jingle kerpang kumu kasi kamu hai shimet ngasno ba amdon chu kata ka jing kerpang jengi kum jat ben real. Kini ki benta ki long ka culture ba kanyam ki ya ka mla ban punya khala ki.
Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma has announced that the state government will soon issue directives to educational institutions, especially those receiving government support, to justify their current fee structures. This move aims to ensure equitable access to education and address affordability concerns. Additionally, the state will implement the School Quality Assessment and Assurance Framework based on the NAC model to evaluate school performance, promote transparency and establish consistent standards across the sector.
Sometimes I feel those who are supported by the government, we will write to them, we will issue them a notice that their justification, why they are charging fees of so high. So therefore, yes, we will definitely we will ask them why the justification of the reason why they are charging. So I would, but as a minister today, it's my pleasure to request all the institutions across the state to kindly consider the students of all sections.
The annual Shad Sukra festival of Sengrai Jawai concluded yesterday despite heavy rain. The event theme Bay Ramo Yichai Bay Ka Nongkalyang kicked off on Saturday and continued with cultural performances yesterday. Deputy Chief Minister Sneo Bhalang Dhar inaugurated the celebration and donated ₹50,000 to Sengrai Jawai. Although rain led to the cancellation of some cultural acts, the celebration continued with a vibrant street dance procession by children from Ringkau to Yao Musiang. Traditional music, songs and dances were performed by locals, and visitors celebrated the Panar community's gratitude to nature before the planting season. The final segment, Kaper Suntu, was held indoors at the Lompardi Yopia Community Hall. Aiborlang Maule, a broomstick farmer from Maudo Nongstoin, was allegedly assaulted and detained by Assam police at the Langpi border outpost on the night of April 2nd. The incident began when Maule's vehicle was stoned by a Nepali resident while he was collecting broomsticks. Though the assailants fled, the Assam police allegedly arrested Maule, beat him and took him into custody. Meghalaya police later intervened, securing his release. In response, the Hinuthrep Youth Council, HYC, Ri Mulyang Pillun, led by President Distarbor Wanyang, submitted a memorandum to the West Kasil's DC urging immediate action to ensure the safety of local residents.
Lingba ka police department yung ka West Kasil district bakin treya ka kam banshu wan pertuling tang hiki jaka kiba suk kiba jaka kiba sengany te hnrei ngilaban ong bal jin la dei ba ini ki briu jungi nangni namiglia jungi lingwa ka police department ipa ban pertuling sakite ki than nuwa para nong drone para kam phaduli ter kum tu kan be ka jing sengany le se ya ka yat ka yang jong khunснong jong ka dong ka than jungi.
Priyank Kanungo, member of the National Human Rights Commission, yesterday visited the Chenga Benga Temple in Gandhipara, southwest Garo Hills, coinciding with the conclusion of the Ashoka Asthami celebration. Thousands attended the four-day event celebrating the region's cultural and spiritual heritage. During his visit, the community raised concern about a gang rape incident during last year's Mela, urging Kanungo to ensure better security measures for future events. Kanungo's tour also included stops in Guwahati and Agartala, focusing on human rights engagement across northeast India.
हमें अपनी बेटियों की रक्षा के लिए उनके साथ डायलॉग करना पड़ेगा। घर में बैठ के बातचीत करना शुरू करिए। आप सब लोगों से विनम्र अनुरोध है कि कम से कम एक टाइम का भोजन अपने बच्चों के साथ करिए, मोबाइल को स्विच ऑफ करके करिए, उनसे पूछिए कि किससे दोस्ती है, कहाँ जाते हो, और दोस्त बनिए, किससे मिलते हो। बच्चे घर से स्कूल जाते हैं, हमको पता है ना किसके साथ गए, खेल के मैदान में जाते हैं, हमको पता है किसके साथ गए। ये मोबाइल पे सोशल मीडिया पे किससे दोस्ती की है हमको पता है। एक दिन घटना हो जाती है और पुलिस के पीछे पड़ जाते हैं। भाई प्रिवेंटिव काम तो हमको करना पड़ेगा ना।
The Confederation of Ribhoi People Corp held a Central Executive Committee meeting to address water supply issues in villages facing scarcity due to inadequate implementation by the Public Health Engineering Department under the Jal Jeevan Mission. Corp President Bandari Rintathyang stated that the organization will conduct inspection in affected villages and file a formal complaint with both the state and central governments, urging them to investigate the causes behind the ongoing water crisis.
Kita kisah kita empat jauh, ken bo komplain jakaseng bangin one inspection, banakaliang kaseng nilaray bangin tho syaka central government of India kejal Shakti ba depet nagbenta juga
A fatal road accident occurred at Umlingknyat, Ribhoi district today at around 12:05 a.m. A Maruti Alto 800 driven by Robbie Paswan, 30, collided with the rear end of an unknown truck which fled the scene. Both Paswan and his passenger Prakash, 26, died on the spot. The accident took place on the Shillong to Guwahati lane of NH6. Legal formalities were completed at the scene and the bodies were transported to the civil hospital Nongpo for post-mortem. The damaged vehicle was being towed for further investigation. A historic day for the Catholic Church in Shillong Archdiocese as the Our Lady of Miracles Parish at Terngah was officially inaugurated and consecrated yesterday. The ceremony was led by Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lingdo in the presence of Bishop Bernard Lalu and the newly appointed parish priest, Reverend Father Sedesh N. Marak. The event witnessed the attendance of thousands of faithfuls. The parish will serve over 25 churches in its jurisdiction. Following the inauguration, a holy mass was celebrated to mark the beginning of a new spiritual chapter for the region. St. Thomas Higher Secondary School, Mairang, organized a felicitation program today to honor two outstanding students for their achievements in the MBOS SSLC results. Angel Jolisa Marbanyang from Langste Rim ranked in the top 10, while Erin L. Maulong from Lunar Long secured the 14th rank. The ceremony, attended by teachers, students and the students' families, celebrated their success. Principal Father Wenki Kars Emlong praised their achievements and acknowledged the hard work of the teaching staff, highlighting their role in inspiring academic excellence.
And thank you for doing well in your exams. You are the reason for us to be gathering today, and we are very proud of you. You have taken our school on the height, and our school is known today across the country because of you.
The Maushaboit Boxing Club hosted tournament at the Madang Padeng Maushaboit Playground with over 70 young athletes participating, including 16 women. The Boxing Association East Khasi Hills claimed the overall championship, winning 25 medals. The Maushaboit Boxing Club secured 17 medals, followed by Green Heart Boxing Club with 11 and Rising Star Boxing Association with 10. Upper Shillong Boxing Association rounded off the medal tally with 9. The closing ceremony was attended by local MLA Heving Stone Karpran and officials from the Meghalaya Boxing Association. Event organizer Everson Karkungor expressed gratitude to supporters and called for the government backing to empower more youth to compete at the national and international levels.
Rangi pura ke jumi kilayo ke gold medal dan kilayo ke silver ke bronze along ke jing island seal but tunju ko nakaliang ke jumi pom ka Maushaboit boxing club ibu ke jing kerpat khmat Sukra ba kan phai khmat lem sak club ke jumi wat la ka long hasnan ka balang pat ka balaya lenti ke jing ya lenti ke jumi rei ya ke jing trai sitom jong kini ke kun samna ke jumi ba panla ba panlong ya ka boxing club ben yo ya ka nam om tang kan ke shnong. And they watch
And now, here is the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was 24 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius, the relative humidity 57%. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature was 11.5 degrees Celsius with a maximum temperature 24.3 degrees Celsius and the relative humidity being 53%. Meanwhile, in Jawai, the minimum temperature recorded was 13 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius, the relative humidity being 62%. And the forecast in Tura, Jawai indicate dry weather is too likely to occur at most places, while in Shillong, light to moderate rain is likely to occur at a few places. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. Shad Suk Mynsiem Festival celebrates peace and unity in Meghalaya. Meghalaya to review school fee structure and implement new quality assessment framework. Shad Sukra Festival concludes in Jawai amidst rain. And a Meghalaya broomstick farmer allegedly assaulted and detained by Assam police. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us. And from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.